This is Costa with Pinnacle Stone Restoration. I'm so excited to share the exciting project with you. We have 680 North Lakeshore Drive project in downtown Chicago, historic building with amazing architecture. And everything here is historic. Everything here represents craftsmanship, and that's what really excites everybody here. And it's got amazing natural stone here, travertine and terrazzo combination. It has with some structural challenges such as the surface cracks and gouges and wear and tear, but overall structurally sound at the same time because of very thick material itself. So we've been refinishing this project for second week now. It's a huge project. This building basically occupies the whole block, so it has a street on all sides. deal with a lot of logistics, a lot of foot traffic, but that kind of keeps us, focused, engaged, and that's what matters, and that's where the quality work comes. We are going to make this floor seamless, monolithic, and unified. So we started 400.
Hey, 400 this one. Oh, you look at 400?
No. This is we had to do it 200 again because the diamonds worn down. So right now we have 200 everywhere. I like the way it's coming out. It's amazing. Yeah.